Guys, I found a viral YouTube channel. You probably already know about it. The channel's name is Dr. Philman. It was started just a few months ago, and believe it or not, it already has around 12,800 subscribers. So far, he has uploaded only about 48 videos. Despite that, the channel has gained close to 4.5 million views. It's a shorts channel, and he uploads videos in the horror category. These are scary type shorts that really grab your attention. What's cool is that we can also create similar videos using the right tools. You can check out the videos he's uploaded. They're mostly horror type shorts that give you chills and go viral easily. Also, these videos have gained a high number of views. If you look at the most popular videos on the channel, you'll see that almost all of them have hundreds of thousands of views. That's clearly visible. And the best part is, the channel is already monetized, so it's clear that the creator is earning a decent side income from it. Making these kinds of videos is actually super easy. In today's video, I'm going to explain the exact strategy step by step on how to create these kinds of creepy/horror style shorts videos as a unit. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, give this video a like, and let's see how to make these kinds of viral shorts. Alright, first let's look at how to find an idea for our video. You can go to any text generator you like and simply type something like a real creepy/mystery short story idea for YouTube videos. Then, from ChatGPT, we'll get a list of story ideas generated like this. We can pick one of those to use for our video. Now that we have our idea, let's look at how to create a script and generate the video with the help of a few prompts. In the description, I've already added a prompt. You just need to copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you do that, you'll see a box or section labeled Topic. Paste the idea you selected earlier there. After that, everything will be generated nicely, step by step, like the video script and relevant prompts to generate matching visuals. Alright, now we need to generate the images, right? So, what I'm using for this is a tool called Gemini. With this, we can accurately generate the image we want. First, go to Gemini and give it the text prompt. Without that, we won't be able to generate the image the way we want. Then, take the first image prompt we generated from ChatGPT, copy it, and paste it into Gemini. Within a few seconds, it will generate a beautiful image related to that scene or concept. You can then click the download icon to download the image. In the same way, you can copy and paste the rest of the image prompts and generate all the remaining images for your video. So that's how you can easily generate all the images you need for your video using this tool. Now let's move on to the next step. So now, to generate the voiceover for our video script, I'm using a website called 11 Labs. Why? Because it allows us to generate very realistic AI voices. First, select the text-to-speech option. Then, copy your entire voiceover script and paste it into the text box like this. After that, on the right-hand side, you'll see an option called Voice. Click on it and select the voice you like. There are many voice options available. I'm going to use one of those voices. Then, you'll see an option called Generate. Click that. In just a few seconds, it will generate the voice for your script like this. Now you can click the download icon to download the voice file. Alright, now let's look at the final step of the process. The final step is editing, so I use CapCut. First, you need to do import all images and voice file and background music, then import first image and voice to the timeline. Okay, now you can see option like aspect radio, set it to 16.9. Alright, first click on the image, then you'll see an option called transform. Click on that. From there, add a keyframe. Then go to the timeline and drag it a few seconds forward. After that, increase the scale of the image slightly, like this. You'll see that the keyframe gets added automatically as a smart animation. Now, let's move to the voice clips. Match each voice clip properly with its corresponding image or scene by cutting and aligning them according to the script. That's how I did it. Continue doing this for each keyframe and voice section. Just like that, arrange them in the correct places. After that, you can also add background music. Then comes the captions. To do that, select all the clips together, go to the Captions button at the top, Click it, then click Generate. This will automatically generate captions for your video. If you want, you can further edit them too. After everything is done, you can export the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about today's video.